So I guess this is the first kind of sort of giveaway I'm doing on this channel, not just by myself, but in collaboration with the brand that I had previously promoted, known as Wondershare. They had reached out to me with a great opportunity for you guys. They are giving away a GoPro Hero 7 Silver, which is a great little action camera. So this giveaway or contest surrounds their new campaign known as Find Him and Her, which involves photo recovery with their data recovery program they call Recover It. This software is an elegant, intuitive solution to finding files that you may have thought totally long gone or lost. Things that are like folders within folders within folders or within hidden folders, and just things that you can't like conventionally or easily find with your file explorer on, Mac or Windows. All you have to do to enter this contest is to go to their campaign page, which I will have linked in the video description. Then you're going to want to click the Join Now button and then input your name and email for a license of the data recovery software. If that method doesn't work for you, I recommend going to Recover It or Wondershare site, going to the Products tab, and then clicking the Data Recovery free for whatever operating system you're using. It'll get you the trial or the license, similarly to how the first method would. Then you're just going to want to download the program and install it once again on your operating system of choice. Once you have it downloaded and installed, all you're going to want to do is open the program up and then select the hard disk or SSD or drive you wish to scan files for. Once selected, all you got to do is click Start, and it'll start scanning your entire drive for, files that once again you may not have access to at the moment because they're really, deeply embedded or hidden in, all the rest of your files and folders, etc. So in the case of this contest and campaign, you're going to want to find an old photo that Recover It has uncovered, something that you haven't seen for a little while, and that is definitely my case. And what's great about this software is that you can not only see kind of the folder breakdown, they call it tree view, you can also do files view, which kind of sorts all of your recovered or scanned files into their file types. So I'm going to select JPEGs here, and I have quite a few that I might not have seen for a little while. And if I scroll down here through weird, embarrassing pictures, I found one that I haven't seen for a while. This is a 6-year-old picture of mine. And I'm going to stop myself before I continue explaining that photo because that is an integral part of this contest. What you're going to want to do is take an old photo that you have uncovered, share that on Facebook, and then add a little story behind it. And by the way, make sure the photo is appropriate. You will be disqualified if it's something not rated G. But anyway, here in my case, the photo that I have found here, it is like 6 years old, and it was taken on Christmas Day when my parents got my sister and I, mostly me, a 13-inch MacBook Pro, which I loved and used for years up until around 8th grade. I used to play Minecraft on it. It was really a really happy day there, and I was demoing the photo booth app, just like the tech person that I was all this time. I just wasn't doing YouTube yet. So yeah, that is what I would put in my own Facebook entry. If you're comfortable with sharing an old photo you uncovered, once again, put it in a Facebook post, add an explanation or a little backstory, and then make sure to add #recovered for your chance to win a GoPro Hero 7 Silver. And yeah, that about wraps up this promotional bit here. Best of luck to all you who are entering to win the GoPro, and thank you Wondershare for reaching out again. And to my regular viewers, stay tuned for some more content coming very soon, particularly on Pixel 3a XL. And yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you'd leave a like in the video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.